Hello, Shukriya.
Hello.
Where are we today?
Flower power.
We are at Flower Power. What are we going to do today?
We are going to buy some plants.
Yes, we will buy some plants and pots today. Okay, Shukriya?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. What is that, Shukriya? It's hard?
It's statue.
Statue?
Yes, and look at this. This apple. Wow! Wait, and it's got a blue. What's that, Shukriya? That's fountain. Yeah.
Do you like that?
Whoa, whoa, coming.
What's
What's
that?
that?
Oh, it's so beautiful. You like that?
Yeah.
pots here.
Yes. It's so big. And
They're so big.
wow.
What about the other ones? Look at them. Do you like this one, Shukriya?
Hello. Funny.
It's funny.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, which color rose you like, Shukriya?
Pink.
Pink one?
Yes.
Okay, there are these pink.
Yeah.
This one's very nice. And there are different kinds of roses in here.
Oh. Let's go.
You want to see the statue?
Go.
Elephant. There's an elephant, Shukriya.
Look at the fish.
Oh, you like the fish?
Yeah. What is
Okay, have a look at the fish. You like this one?
Yeah.
What about the doggy? Look at, there's a doggy. Have a look.
Look, a cat over there too.
There's a cat.
Yeah.
Okay, I will have a look at the cat too.
Oh, another fish.
Another fish.
Another fish.
Let's go and have a look at the cat.
Look.
You like the cats?
Yeah, this is dog.
This is a doggy. Can you, Shukriya? Shukriya, can you tell me how many cats are there? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3.
3 cats over there.
What? Look at the
See?
pot.
Yeah, you like that one?
Look, oval.
It's oval shape.
And this is swirly. The baby face.
Ah, there's the baby statues. Shukriya, look at that. The baby is giving a peekaboo.
That's good.
That looks like you, Shukriya. Isn't that right, Shukriya?
This one is like me.
That's like you?
And this is Julia.
Ah, Julia gives peekaboo all the time?
Yes. Wow.
Huh?
It's another Shukriya.
Another Shukriya?
Wow, what
Ah, they're angels. They've got wings. See?
What's she doing?
What? I don't know. Maybe she's sleeping? Is she sleeping?
She faces over there.
Ah, her face is over there.
Yes, she's sleeping. Wow,
She's
water.
sleeping.
What's happening?
Water. It's watery there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, more water.
I think they're for the birds. Look at that. There's a bird. See? Statue bird. Isn't that cute?
Here's the water lady.
Okay, there are the indoor plants in here. Again, another fountain.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so lucky. There's a doggy.
Mommy, only doggy.
That's a uli.
Hello, Baba. Hello. It's so big, nice, Baba.
It's very big and beautiful.
Yes. Lot of flies. And এখানে একটু ঝর্ণা পানি দেখলাম, অনেক ঝর্ণা পানি দেখলাম।
অনেক ঝর্ণা পানি দেখলা, তুমি পছন্দ করো না?
Shukriya, look at the cactus. They're so spiky. Look at them. Underneath, see? See? They've got so many spikes. Ooh. You like the cactus? Do you like cactus? No.
It's too spiky.
It's too spiky. They are colorful, spiky cactus. You like the colorful one, Shukriya? And this one is very long. Look at that. Yeah, look at this one. This one's very long. You like that one?
It's
Look at that. We did a lot of shopping today.
Yes.
Are you tired now? Okay, then say goodbye to everybody.
Bye bye, everybody. Thumbs up.
See you again.